रायबरेली का पुराना रिश्ता है। काफ़ी खुशी हो रही है कि मैं उनको फिर से रिप्रेजेंट करूँगा, मगर आसान निर्णय नहीं था।
बहुत खुश हूँ मैं। आई एम वेरी हैप्पी टू बी एबल टू represent Wayanad, and all I'll say is that I won't let them feel his absence.
After a 2-hour-long meeting at 10 Rajaji Marg, a final decision on Rahul Gandhi's constituency has in fact been taken. He will be retaining Rai Bareli as his constituency, and Priyanka Gandhi Vadra will be contesting from Wayanad. Remember, this is a big decision that is coming from the Congress party, from Mallikarjun Kharge, who was present in the meeting. There were all the three Gandhis, Sonia Gandhi, Priyanka Gandhi, Rahul Gandhi, who were present in the meeting. KC Venugopal was also part of the meeting. This 2-hour-long meeting, after this 2-hour-long meeting, they briefed the media, where they have in fact said that Rahul Gandhi will be keeping Rai Bareli as his constituency, given the fact how the people of Rai Bareli has been always been in support of Sonia Gandhi. And remember, the statement that was made by Sonia Gandhi कि मैं अपने बेटे को आपको सौंप रही हूँ. So in a way, Rahul Gandhi is retaining that particular constituency. Now the question was that whichever constituency he will be leaving, who will be contesting from that particular constituency for the by-polls. Now that decision also has been taken in this 2-hour-long meeting. It is Priyanka Gandhi Vadra who will be contesting from Wayanad, and this is exactly what the allies of the Congress party in Kerala also wanted. When there was an India Alliance meeting that happened here on 5th of June at the same venue, the number of UDF allies that include the Muslim League and other leaders informed Rahul Gandhi that if he is planning to leave Wayanad, then Priyanka Gandhi Vadra should contest from Wayanad, because they want Junior Indira Gandhi to contest from that seat. So it seems that after much deliberation, after much discussion, a final decision has been in fact taken. Now the process, what is going to happen next? Remember, tomorrow is the last day when Rahul Gandhi has to tender his resignation from one of the constituencies. So tomorrow he will be sending his resignation as an MP from Wayanad to Lok Sabha Secretariat, and later once it is informed to the Election Commission will be notifying that there is going to be a by-poll in Wayanad. Once the notification comes, the campaign starts, the MCC comes into place. It will be interesting to see who are going to be the candidates from the BJP and the left for the Wayanad by-polls.